How to get DoorDash promo code. For this, make sure you have an application of DoorDash. If you don't, open a Play Store or an App Store and search for DoorDash application. Now right here, tap on it and install your DoorDash. Once it is installed, tap Open. To sign in or log in, select any of this method. Then once you are in your home page, you might find some of the restaurants providing you with a promo code. You can tap on those promo code to gain access to it. Then you can just redeem it in any purchase that you want. On to the next step. Open your Google and right here search for DoorDash promo code. You can select any from this preference. I'll be selecting from Time Magazine. As you can see, there are a lot of coupons that you can select from. Just tap on Show Coupon, then tap on this copy icon right here. Now once you have copied this promo code, go ahead and order up something that you really want to from your DoorDash. While checking out, you will see there is a dialog box to enter your promo code. Simply paste the promo code that you recently copied from Google. So you can just go ahead and redeem it while purchasing any of the food item that you prefer. So go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for watching.